Okay na, sige. Okay, yung sasakyan niyan, if you are to take a closer look at the car, you would see something white inside. So, it's just a question of what is that white thing, and let's see if we can guess, kung ano yung nandun sa loob ng sasakyan. Okay.
Paano ko makikita?
Hindi, lalapit yan mamaya.
Baka naman lumabas yung sasakyan dito. Ganda naman yan. Ano yun? Ano yun? Ano yun?
Sige. Nagulat ka ulit. Grabe ka naman. Don't tell me you got scared the second time, huh?
Yes, ulit dito lang. Hindi na ako
Ate Ging is so funny. She just loves watching it over and over again.
Parang si Michael Jackson.
Okay, yun lang. That's all that I wanted you to see. Thank you. I got your reaction on
May
cam.
kalungili-gili mo sa demonyo.
Okay, bye. Sige, Karen, bye-bye.